So I'm going to replace the black tank valve on my camper. I'm just going to film how it goes. It's super easy, just make sure the tank is empty and cleaned out. It's 4 bolts, unbolt them, put this in, bolt it back in. Make sure it doesn't leak before you go using it in the toilet. Just use some clean water in there to make sure this doesn't leak. So let's just do this. It's just a 7/16 nuts and bolts. I dumped a bottle of disinfectant into the black tank before doing this, even though the black tank is cleaned out, been drained and rinsed. Did that for good measure. So if you see a little fluid coming out of here, I have a bucket to catch it, so nobody's complaining about littering. The old bolts don't matter because the new valve comes with new bolts. I'll have a link in the description to where to get it. Now that the bolts are out, pull that out, break this thing free. One bolt is really rusted. Clean the surfaces. Make sure the old gaskets aren't stuck in there. The directions on the back, there are directions on the back of the packaging of the new valve. It says to coat the rubber parts in petroleum jelly to maximize their life. I don't have any with me. The RV manufacturers also make a valve lubricant that you can dump into the tank. Seems like this valve came pre-lubricated in here, where the actual valve rubs against the inside of these gaskets. The outside of the gaskets, you're supposed to put petroleum jelly on there, I guess. But next step, put the valve on there, bolt it down. Don't over tighten the nuts or you might crack these plastic flanges. Additionally, once you tighten these nuts, make sure the valve opens and closes easily and it doesn't bind up. That means you over tightened the nuts. Gonna lightly do it with the drill. You can do this by hand if you want. That is still easy. Now fill the tank with about 3 gallons of fresh water. Maybe let it sit overnight, check for leaks. Then if all is good, then you're good to go. This particular valve I got was only $15. It seems kind of flimsy, but hopefully it will be fine. Well, I have 3 gallons of fresh water in there and there are no leaks. Don't worry, that's just fresh water. If you have sewage in there, you cannot dump that onto the ground. That's super illegal. You need to go to an approved dump station or collect it in buckets and put it into your toilet or something at home. Maybe there are certain cities out there where you can dump into the drain water because it goes into a treatment center. I don't know, you gotta look up your local codes or whatever. But yeah, anyway, new valve is in, it's working good. Please hit that thumbs up if you liked the video and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.